In the past week, I have automated 90% of my personal business, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do the same. I'm going to give you two examples that you can implement right now very easily with no technical skills. The crazy part is that the execution of these systems cost me less than $1 per month. And if I was to hire an agency, it would cost me thousands. If I was to hire a VA, it would cost me hundreds into the thousands. Let's check it out. Now, this right here is N8N. N8N is a AI automation tool that links to almost any tool you can imagine. This right here is my content engine. Every morning at 5 a.m., N8N talks to my Claude account, which is linked to my YouTube channel through vidIQ. Claude is able to search my channel for my highest performing videos and look at all my analytics, as well as look and do research into my niche of content and what others are creating. Every morning at 5 a.m., N8N asks Claude, what content should Mark create today, both long form and short form, that is a high probability chance of winning? In addition to just giving those content ideas, it asks Claude to write those scripts, give titles, give descriptions, give hashtags, and give thumbnail ideas and angles. Then, in a matter of seconds, all of those ideas are sent to my Notion database, where I have columns for long form and short form. So all I have to do every day is look at those columns, choose an idea that I like, which are also ranked on probability score, go ahead and film it, and post it. It has completely taken away the need for me to come up with my own content ideas. Now, I still come up with my own ideas and I have columns for my own ideas, but this has filled a massive gap that I otherwise would have to do manually. Now, let's take it a step further. This workflow right here is my weekly newsletter workflow. This, again, calls Claude every Monday at 7 a.m. and asks Claude, what was Mark's best performing long-form YouTube video from last week? Claude then passes that info on, and then N8N tells Claude, write a newsletter to Mark's leads around the concept of this video. Make sure to do it in Mark's voice and tone based on everything you know around his ICP, ideal customer profile. Then the newsletter is automatically sent to me for approval, and if approved, gets sent out through GoHighLevel. These are just two of the very basic examples of how I'm automating things in my business, and this is just the tip of the iceberg. When you understand how to leverage the correct tools and then package them together through an AI agent automated system like this, you can automate 90 to 95% of your business with better outputs than you would be able to create yourself. This is called building real leverage. While most people are still stuck using AI to just ask ChatGPT questions and write crappy emails and generate AI slop, the ones who are actually excelling right now are understanding how to leverage these systems to the most of their potential and then package them together to create actual workflows that automate busy work and real tasks, taking away the need for agencies, teams, VAs, and everything in between. And these systems run while I sleep. It's all cloud-based, meaning that whether my computer's on, whether I'm home, whether I'm across the world in another country, these systems run. If you are not building real leverage at this point in your business, now is the time to start, because you will fall behind. It's exactly why I'm doing it myself. If you want to stay up to date on how to build leverage, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you found this video interesting, go ahead and give it a like. If you have questions, go ahead and comment down below. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.